Get ready to be amazed. Runway AI is revolutionizing the world of video editing. This incredible platform uses the power of artificial intelligence to make video-to-video transformation easier than ever before. Imagine turning a simple video clip into a stunning animation, a futuristic cityscape, or even a scene from a dream. With Runway AI, the possibilities are endless. Runway AI isn't just for tech wizards. It's designed for everyone, from seasoned professionals to complete beginners. The platform's user-friendly interface and intuitive tools make it a breeze to navigate and create stunning video transformations. Whether you're a filmmaker, a social media enthusiast, or just someone who loves to play with video, Runway AI has something incredible to offer. But what makes Runway AI truly special is its ability to understand and manipulate video content on a whole new level. Using sophisticated algorithms, Runway AI analyzes your video frames, identifies objects and movements, and then applies your chosen style with stunning accuracy. The results are simply breathtaking, transforming your videos into works of art that will captivate your audience. Imagine the joy of seeing your creative vision come to life effortlessly. Runway AI supports seamless editing across multiple devices, making it convenient for you to work on your projects anytime, anywhere. Collaboration has never been easier. Share your projects with team members and work together in real time. With voice command capabilities, you can even edit hands-free, making the process more intuitive and efficient. Customize your video effects with a wide range of options available at your fingertips. Achieve professional-grade color correction and grading with advanced tools that are easy to use. Create stunning video montages that tell a compelling story and leave a lasting impression. Export your videos in high resolution with various format options to suit your needs. Share your creations on social media and watch them go viral, reaching a wider audience than ever before. Receive positive feedback and engagement from your audience, boosting your confidence and creativity. With Runway AI, you're not just editing videos, you're continuously learning and improving your skills. Take advantage of online tutorials and workshops to master new techniques and stay ahead of the curve. Feel inspired and let your creativity flow with the endless possibilities that Runway AI offers. Celebrate your success and the incredible videos you create with Runway AI. The future of video editing is here, and it's brighter than ever with Runway AI. Visit our website to learn more and start your journey with Runway AI. Join the community of happy users and revolutionize the way you edit videos. The revolution in video editing is here. Are you ready to be a part of it? In the fast-paced world of video content creation, standing out from the crowd is crucial. With millions of videos being uploaded every day, capturing the audience's attention has become more challenging than ever. Runway AI empowers video creators with a unique set of tools to elevate their work and captivate their audience. These tools are designed to simplify complex editing tasks, making it easier for creators to produce high-quality content. No longer limited by traditional editing techniques, creators can now effortlessly infuse their videos with artistic flair, captivating effects, and mind-blowing transformations. This means that even those with minimal editing experience can produce professional-grade videos. Imagine transforming a simple product demo video into a dynamic animation that brings your brand to life. With Runway AI, you can add layers of creativity that make your product stand out in a crowded market. Or picture yourself creating a mesmerizing music video with surreal visuals that perfectly complement the rhythm and mood. The AI tools allow you to experiment with different styles and effects, ensuring that your video is unique and engaging. Runway AI makes these ambitious visions a reality, allowing creators to push the boundaries of video storytelling. Whether you're working on a short film, a commercial, or a social media clip, the possibilities are endless. But Runway AI's benefits extend far beyond just aesthetics. The platform is designed to enhance the overall workflow, making the editing process more efficient and less time-consuming. By streamlining the video editing process, Runway AI saves creators valuable time and resources. This means you can focus more on the creative aspects of your project rather than getting bogged down by technical details. What once required hours of meticulous work can now be achieved with just a few clicks. The intuitive interface and powerful features make it accessible for both beginners and seasoned professionals. This newfound efficiency frees up creators to focus on what they do best, crafting compelling narratives and connecting with their audience. With more time on their hands, creators can experiment with new ideas, refine their storytelling techniques, and produce content that truly resonates with viewers. Runway AI also fosters collaboration among creative teams. By simplifying the editing process, team members can easily share their work, provide feedback, and make adjustments in real time. This collaborative environment leads to more cohesive and polished final products. In the end, Runway AI not only enhances the quality of your videos, but also makes the entire creation process more enjoyable and rewarding. It's a game changer for video creators looking to make a lasting impact in the digital world. Ready to dive into the exciting world of video-to-video transformation with Runway AI? Getting started is a breeze, even for those new to the world of AI-powered video editing. Here's a simple guide to get you up and running. First, head over to the Runway AI website and sign up for an account. You can choose from various plans, including a free option that gives you access to a wide range of features. Once you've created your account, you'll be greeted by Runway AI's intuitive interface, ready to transform your video dreams into reality. Next, it's time to choose your weapon of choice, the video-to-video model. Runway AI offers a diverse library of pre-trained models, each capable of producing unique and stunning transformations. Whether you're looking to animate your videos, generate realistic landscapes, or add a touch of artistic flair, Runway AI has a model to suit your creative vision. Uploading your video and choosing a style. With your Runway AI account set up and your creative spirit soaring, it's time to unleash the magic of video-to-video transformation. Start by uploading the video you want to transform. Runway AI supports a variety of video formats, making it easy to work with your existing footage. Once your video is uploaded, the real fun begins. Browse through Runway AI's extensive library of styles and choose the one that speaks to your creative vision. From vibrant animations to realistic textures, abstract patterns to otherworldly landscapes, the possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment and try out different styles. Runway AI makes it incredibly easy to preview how each style will transform your video in real time. This interactive approach allows you to fine-tune your vision and discover the perfect style to bring your creative vision to life. Fine-tuning your transformation settings and parameters. While Runway AI's pre-trained models offer incredible results out of the box, the platform also provides you with the tools to fine-tune your transformations and achieve truly unique results. This means you can take a base model and make it your own, adding your personal touch to every project. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, yet powerful, giving you the flexibility to adjust a wide range of parameters. Each model comes with a set of adjustable parameters, allowing you to customize the intensity, style, and overall look of your transformed video. For instance, you can modify the brightness, contrast, and saturation to match your creative vision. Each tweak you make can significantly alter the final output, making it essential to experiment and find the perfect balance. When it comes to video editing, the ability to fine-tune settings is crucial. You can adjust the frame rate, resolution, and even the aspect ratio to ensure your video looks exactly how you want it. This level of control is what sets Runway AI apart from other platforms. For example, when using the animation model, you can adjust the smoothness of the animation, the level of detail, and even the color palette. These settings allow you to create animations that are not only visually stunning, but also tailored to your specific needs. The smoothness setting can make your animations look more fluid, while the detail setting can add intricate elements that make your work stand out. The color palette options let you choose from a wide range of colors, ensuring your animation matches your project's theme. Similarly, the landscape generation model allows you to control the density of vegetation, the height of mountains, and the overall atmosphere of your generated environment. This means you can create anything from a dense forest to a barren desert, all with a few clicks. The atmosphere settings let you adjust the lighting, weather, and even the time of day, giving you complete control over the mood and feel of your landscape. Whether you're creating a serene sunrise or a dramatic storm, the possibilities are endless. Experimenting with these settings and parameters is encouraged. The more you play around with the options, the more you'll discover what works best for your project. Don't be afraid to tweak and adjust until you achieve the perfect look for your video. Runway AI's real-time preview feature lets you see the impact of your changes instantly, making the fine-tuning process both intuitive and rewarding. This feature is particularly useful for those who like to see immediate results and make adjustments on the fly. The real-time preview not only saves you time but also helps you make more informed decisions about your adjustments. You can see how each change affects the overall look and feel of your video, allowing you to perfect every detail. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner, Runway AI's settings and parameters offer a level of customization that can elevate your work to new heights. So go ahead, dive into the settings, and start creating something truly unique. The journey of fine-tuning your video is not just about achieving the perfect look. It's also about enjoying the creative process. With Runway AI, you have all the tools you need to bring your vision to life, making the entire experience both enjoyable and fulfilling.